Right, now.
Okay, let's go.
Stand up.
Hello.
Stand her up.
Okay, we're going for a walk. Come on. Good girl.
Oh, good Lola.
Come on.
Oh, crap.
Come on, Lola. Lola, get up.
Lola, come on.
Get up.
Stand her up again.
Come on. Come on, Lola. Let's go for a walk. Come on, you'll love it. Good girl. Come on.
Go, Lola, go.
Good girl.
Good, Lola. Oh.
Get up.
I give up. Lola, honey. Honey. Go on.
Good girl. Good girl, Lola. Come on. Come on. Lola. Good girl. Lola's my dad.
What's her problem?
Come on, good girl. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl, Lola.
I think I wasted my money.
Come on. Watch it. You watch this. Come on, Lola. Good girl.
Oh my god.
Lola. Come on.
Oh, it's making my head hurt.
You're funny.
I think she's done now.
Lola, come for a walk.
Alright, get up. Good girl. Now, here we go. That's a good girl. Come on.
Oh, we've got some action.
Oh my god.
I completely... Oh. I almost missed that. She's a thud.
Lola, come on, this I gave you beautiful chicken for dinner and everything.
Oh, my head.
Here she goes, look.
Try her on the carpet. Might be too slippery on there for her.
Slippery, she won't even stand up.
I mean here, try her on the carpet.
She's going to give herself brain damage.
No.
Bring her up here so I can give her a close-up, though.
No, let her go.
Yeah, but I want to, you know, get some. Oh, man. That's ridiculous.
What?
Oh, God.
Her. How pathetic is that? Lola. Look at me.
Done.
Lola.
Let's go for a walk. Come on, Lola.
Fuck that, I'm going the other way.
Come on. Oh, now we're up. That's a different cat.
What a turd.
Good girl. She's a good girl.
Alright.